Alright, here's my bike check. Sorry for that noise. I'm playing Black Ops. I'm supposed to be doing quick scope, no scope right now. Wait, yeah, here's my bike. I got, let me start off from the front. This is the same bike in that how to do a bunny hop video. I just changed some parts so it looks different. Okay, I got the Aaron Ross. Alright, let me cover this light. Got the Aaron Ross grips. Got the Sunday handlebar. The fuck? Sunday handlebars. This is a stolen. It's all messy. The frame's kind of old for real. I got 2.2s overload. And I got some I got a Black Sheep front rim. Black Sheep front rim. Gosh. Alright. Sunday seat clip. Pivotal seat. It's an Odyssey seat though. Yeah, stolen sticker. Dance comp sticker. This whole bottom bracket crank thing, I don't know what it's called. Not sure, but yeah, it's from this bike. A stolen primer. The 2013 one. I didn't want to ride that bike around because I really like this bike. And my friend just let me get the part off of it. Well, yeah. What kind of cranks are these? Oh, they don't have a name on them. What? It came off of that bike. Sunday seat. Oh, I said that. DK neck stem. It's really, really good. Well, I mean, like, it doesn't slip. The handlebars doesn't slip or anything. And I heard a lot of people tell me that it will never, ever, ever, ever break on me. I got a KMC chain on there. It's kind of cheap. It's good though. My bike's dirty, sorry. And I got I think this is a generic rim. Not generic, but like a regular rim. Let me flip this bike over. Sorry, I'm so ghetto. But yeah, it's fairly light. I just restarted doing BMX because it's all winter and shit, and it's really, really cold out here. And I was wrestling season. So, yeah, here's my crank. What it sounds like, hold up. Gotcha. Yeah, that's the bike though. Here's the other side of it.